guys, welcome back to Sebastian TV here. We are gonna go do another lemonade stand, and it's a hot day today. I think we'll get a lot of money. And subscribe to my channel if you like it, and give us hit the bell if you want to see more me do some more videos, and the thumbs up, and if you really like it. Let's see, I made my shirt. Go and see my last video. Tie-dye. Guys, I just got done helping my mom packing the food, lemonade, and we can do the lemonade stand. Take you along on the ride today.
Let's go. You ready to go on the lemonade stand?
Yeah!
Gonna do it.
Mom!
Yeah.
Lemonade for sale! I'm having so much fun! Everybody's like giving us $20 and they're letting us keep it.
I know, they're being so generous today. So sweet.
My favorite one is lavender, the $3 one. Strawberries with lavender. And I definitely love this one, but my most favorite one is Thanks Patty's Day one.
Are we almost out of the leprechaun lemonade? Heck yeah, we're almost sold out of the leprechaun.
Most people took that one.
Yeah, they like it. It's because it's a special today.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Guys, we sold out of everything. Because we sold out of watermelon, regular, and lavender, and of course,
Which was that?
leprechaun.
Leprechaun, people love the leprechaun.
It's time to wrap up this video. Let's get some. Give us a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel. And ring the bell if you really want to see me do some more videos. And subscribe. And bye.